Chug it down, understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be exploring a fun and interesting English phrase, chug it down. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, and understanding it can add a nice touch to your English skills. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of chug it down. Chug it down is a phrase used to describe drinking something quickly, usually without stopping. This expression is often used in informal settings and can be applied to various liquids, although it's most commonly associated with drinking beverages like water, soda, or beer. The word chug itself implies a gulping sound that's often made when drinking rapidly. The term chug originated from the onomatopoeic sound made when drinking quickly. Over time, chug it down became a popular phrase, especially among younger generations. It's often used in social gatherings, parties, or when someone is encouraged to finish their drink rapidly. However, it's important to use this phrase responsibly, especially regarding alcohol consumption. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. At the party, everyone cheered as he decided to chug down his soda. 2. If you're really thirsty, just chug it down, she said, offering the bottle of water. 3. During the contest, contestants had to chug down glasses of milk as fast as they could. These examples show how chug it down can be used in different contexts. There are other phrases and words that convey a similar meaning. For instance, guzzle down, drink up, down in one. Understanding these synonyms can help in varying your language use. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, chug it down. It's a fun expression that's useful in informal conversations, especially related to drinking quickly. Remember to use it responsibly and in the right context. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English phrases with you in the future.